Hello, hello. Welcome on into another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders. I'm Will.
I'm Sarah.
And I'm Matt.
On this Saturday's Liqueur series, we're exploring Midori, the original melon liqueur.
Be sure to hit the like and subscribe button and click that notification bell. Matt, why don't you tell us a little bit about this?
All right. Midori.
Look
You
at
guys
that
know how
green
much I
color.
like some fancy bottles here. Some Midori. This cool frosted glass and this cool, whatever you want to call this, like dragon scale-like thing on here. It looks cool. I like it. Like a melon skin. It's awesome. All right, so it's 20%. Midori is Japanese for green, which is the emerald green found naturally in nature in Japan. It is made by blending the juices of the muskmelons. It's green, I know, which are extremely rare in Japan and only grown in one region. They sell for $20,000 in their first harvest. These are so hard to find. So these are crazy expensive melons. They take two different muskmelons, two different Japanese muskmelons, create them by using two different production methods to make this beautiful flavor.
Ooh.
So this is inspired by Shinjiro Torii, which is, of course, the owner and founder of Suntory, wanted to create a colorful Western liqueur. So in 1964, they created the Hermes Melon Liqueur, which is what it was first called in 1971. And the cocktail champions were held in Tokyo that year. People fell in love with it. So in 1978, it was for the first time it was brought outside of Japan into the United States to Studio 54, where it was test marketed for at the first time served at the Saturday Night Fever cast party, which is very cool. All right, so it's part of the cocktail that won that year, 1970, called the Universe, which is the US Bartenders Guild best cocktail of the year, which is called the Universe. Is half ounce of Midori, half ounce of vodka, a half ounce of lime juice, a third of pistachio liqueur, and 1 ounce of pineapple juice. By 1993, they were in 20, super sweet. By 1983, in 20 countries, made in Japan, U.S., Mexico, and France. The French version apparently is significantly sweeter than the U.S. version. So good to know. So we'll be happy about that. It was exclusively made in Japan up to 1987. So in 2013, they reduced the sugar content, so it also make you happy, and started frosting the bottle, making this the bottle they currently use. So some of the cocktails that are made in is the Midori Ginger Ale and Lime, Midori Pineapple, the Tokyo Tea, which is my absolute favorites, the Midori Orange, the Orange and Sparkling, Midori Splice, the Japanese Gin and Tonic, the Japanese Slipper, the Midori Margarita, La Pomme, the Midtown Muse, the Southern Belle, the Alligator Kiss, the Cactus Juice, and the Scottish Rio. So there's lots of really different things. The Tokyo Tea is one of my favorites. So when I was in college, I used to make these. And when you made them, that was the rule. If you had one, you had to spend the night because there's 6 shots in it.
Ooh.
So basically it is a Long Island, so it's a shot of vodka, tequila, gin, rum, and triple sec, and a shot of Midori.
Wow.
Plus a splash of Coke and some sweet and sour mix. So like I said, one of those you're done. It's 6 shots. There's no driving after that. No. It's essentially around 12 ounces of alcohol. You should not go anywhere at that point. But I got the recipe from the AFES exchange at Fellow Air Force Base. So thanks, Air Force. Great job.
This almost matches my hair.
It really does. That's funny. So yeah, as you guys can all see, it is a beautiful green liqueur. So let's do with what it smells like.
Melons.
It smells like green apple to me. I'm getting a green melon as well. Maybe that kind of like that cantaloupe vibe.
Yeah, it's super juicy, like
Or
cream
that
crisp.
honeydew, I mean,
Very juicy. It almost has a little bit of a watermelon feel to it as well.
it does.
It's like looking out a window at a B&B. It's that clean, crisp melon, like you're eating like a really nice breakfast sitting there at a hotel.
I
Warm
think
summer day.
the head on the nail with the watermelon. That's what it smells.
Yeah, it
most
really does smell like
to me.
watermelon. I've never had a muskmelon, so I don't really know what a muskmelon tastes like. I'm
No.
guessing similar to this. I don't really know.
No.
If everyone's had muskmelon, let us know if this is what it tastes like. I don't know.
It smells in between like a watermelon and a honeydew.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
I
what I
get
would say.
I get that green note in there.
Well, it reminds me of like a fruit salad if you were to have both those things in there.
Some green apple.
And like you were to drink the liquid out of the fruit salad.
Yeah. Oh, it really does. Yeah.
And then a
Taste
lot of
is-
sugar.
Mild melon, a little vanilla and honey.
Yeah, it's got it's more sweetness than anything else.
Yeah, a little sugary.
Very
It's good.
sugary.
It's a little thin than I would expected.
Yeah, it presents itself like it would be very viscous and almost like sticky as far as that goes. But
the finish is sticky.
Yeah.
The
Finish
finish
is.
is where all that sugary kind of just lingers on your palate. It kind of glides down. It's very, very dangerous.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, this I think so like young college kids. Oh my gosh! Plus, it makes it fruity. It makes it sweet and sugary. It makes it turn a cool green. You know, dangerous.
If this was cold, you could just put it in a cup with a straw and go to town.
Yeah, you really could.
Oh my gosh, it'd be like a snow cone with this would be amazing.
Ooh.
I remember when I was in my early 20s, I really liked sugary sweet. As I've gotten older, that part of my tongue does not enjoy those flavors anymore. But yeah, at that age, this would have been the snow cone of all snow cones.
Yeah.
For real.
Yeah.
It's just a little bit too sweet for my palate.
All right. It's actually not bad. I could really see this in a margarita.
Oh yeah, that'd be a fun margarita
on the rim. Nice.
It's a fun mixer for sure.
Yeah.
I could see this being added to somebody's what's it called? Just 3 ounces of vodka in a martini.
Sure.
Adding a little bit of this to a martini to give some flavor to it, as opposed to just straight the vodka.
I agree.
Yeah. Turn it beautiful green too. So.
All right.
Yeah.
Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and click that notification bell for more interesting liqueur episodes. And until next time,
keep on crusading for better liquids in your glass.
Cheers. Oh yeah, we made this because Brent requested it.
Thanks, Brent.
You're welcome. I found it. It took me 2 hours to find this bottle, but you're welcome. You have no idea how pissed I was when I finally found this. It was not where I thought it would be. Not. You can call it melon liqueur if you'd like.
I think I should use the whole proper name if I can remember to.
All right. Melon. Yeah, it's Midori, the original melon liqueur.
Ooh. On this Saturday's Liqueur series, we're exploring Midori, the original something liqueur.
Melon liqueur.
That's the one. Midori.